if
if Students Educational Channel. Standard 10. My English course book 3.1 F. Poet Rudyard Kipling. Section Poetry. Question 3A. 5 marks, Part 5. Of Extract 1.
If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you, if you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too, if you can wait and not be tired by waiting, or, being lied about, don't deal in lies, or being hated, don't give way to hating, and yet don't look too good, nor talk too wise.
Question 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. State whether the following statements are true or false. We should not deal in lies. Answer: true. We should use different treatments for winners and cheaters. Answer: false. When all men doubt us, we should trust them. Answer: false. We should not admit defeat to hatred. Answer: true. A2. Pick out and empty the positive and negative qualities from the poem in the respective columns. Positive qualities, negative qualities. Answer: positive qualities, negative qualities. Ability to wait. Giving way to hatred. Keeping the head cooler. 1. Blame others for failure. A3. Find and write examples of antithesis. Answer: if you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you. Extract 2.
If you can dream and not make dreams your master, if you can think and not make thoughts your aim, if you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same, if you can bear to hear the truth you've spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to, broken, and stoop and build 'em up with worn out tools.
Question 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. Find the following from the poem. 2 impostors mentioned in the poem. A. Triumph. B. Disaster. Who twist the you have spoken? A. Knaves. B. Dishonest people. Complete the web. Advice given by the father to his son. Answer. Advice given by the father to his son. Did not become a slave of your dreams. Don't make thoughts your sole aim. Treat the two monsters' triumph and disaster the same way as they treat you. Reconstruct something you have built with care even if it has been broken by others. A3. Pick out an example of repetition. Answer. The words "if you can" are repeated. Extract 3.
If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings, nor lose the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friends can hurt you, if all men count with you, but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that's in it, and which is more, you'll be a man, my son.
Question 3A. Read the following extract and do the activities. 5 marks. A1. Agree or disagree. Keep friendship with all classes of people. Answer. Agree. We should treat everyone equality. Agree. Hate the rich people and help the poor. Disagree. We should respect elder people. Agree. A2. Complete the following. 1. Say what. Can the unforgiving minute be made up? 2. Say who. Can you talk with and walk with? 3. Say when. Can the earth become yours? 4. Say why. Should you consider all men equally important? Answer. 1. 60 seconds worth of distance run. 2. Crowds and kings. 3. When we can make good use of every single minute. 4. Because neither foe nor friend can hurt us. A3. Write any two pairs of rhyming words from the extract. Answer. Virtue, you. Minute, it. Touch, much. Run, sun.